So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove noise in Audacity. So let's first simply and fast just record something. So make sure you have the right input and output. And then I'm just going to click on here and record something 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then here I can go to effects, and here in effects we have noise removal and repair, and then click on noise reduction. And also make sure you select the track, sorry, and let's click on noise reduction, and here set get noise profile. Now what you're gonna need to do, and now we might want, let's say, to analyze this portion where the track it's simple, it's very quiet. Now select that part and get actually that noise, and then click on the track and on noise reduction, and click on noise reduction. Then here I can change these settings here and then click on OK. But another method, and here what I would like to mention here is make sure when you work, let's say you have this video here and I test this, works just fine. Make sure you duplicate your track one, because we're doing destructive work here, or destructive editing. What it means basically, destructive editing, is that what changes we are making to this track, to this audio permanently, will just alter the original waveform. Now, in other words, when you apply an effect to an or edit directly to an audio track in Audacity, the original audio data is overwritten and changes become irreversible. So that's why it's called destructive editing. And the reason why I'm duplicating this track is because, you know, if I'm messing something is up, I'm making some mistakes, I want to go back, well, I can do it if I have a duplicate. So I'll duplicate this again, Control, press on your keyboard Command plus D, or Control plus D if you are on Windows. We can also see here in, where is it? In Edit, we have duplicate. You can also here see the shortcuts and other shortcuts there as well. Now the next thing what I'm gonna do, I have a quite small screen. The screen is nice, like 16-inch. I'm using MacBook Pro M3, but you know what I like to do here is just to widen this and then hold Command and zoom in. So I can see the track here. Can zoom even a little bit more. Something like this. When I record this, there's some like play here in this audio track. We have to remove the noise. And another tip here, it's very important. You are probably going to have to play the audio on in loop, because you have to identify if there's any problems there. So you can click on here to loop a part of your video, or press L. Then I'll loop this audio so you can identify the noise, the problem. And now, because I want to make sure you understand, I'm for this track here, I'm gonna use the same method I showed you at the beginning of this video. So we're gonna go to effects again. We're gonna go to noise reduction. Sorry. And here, noise reduction, I'm gonna click get noise profile, effects, noise reduction again. And then here, I'm gonna change this to about 31 or 33. And now here, I can select the entire track, and then I can click on effects and click on repeat noise reduction, or Command plus R or Control plus R. So I'm just gonna press Command plus R, and this, as you can see, it's changed. Now, of course, depending on the settings you are using here, is going to change. All right, so you can also make sure you can get some noise reduction and get a noise reduction probe, but you don't have to do this every single time. Just change the settings and then use Command plus R. And that's the best way of doing this. And why I told you at the beginning of this video, you should repeat that portion of the video you would like to sample. So you can play that audio, and when you play it, you're you're gonna see if there's any difference in the audio. So if there is, and you would like to decrease the audio even more, the noise, you can reduce the noise even more by going again here in noise reduction. And by changing this to even more, the noise reduction, because what it means exactly, I presume if you don't know what noise reduction means, the sensitivity and all of that, you might be doing this the wrong way. So noise reduction sensitivity. This setting, guys, controls how much Audacity reduces background noise in your recording. So if you increase sensitivity, Audacity will remove more noise. If you decrease it, less noise will be removed. So keeping that in mind, make sure you play with this, see, because it depends now on your audio, you're gonna have to increase it or decrease it. Now, what about frequency smoothing band? Well, here this setting decides how Audacity breaks down the sound into different parts to remove noise. Each part focuses on a range of pitches, or how high or low the sounds are. Also, sensitivity here, you can increase this if you want to, and then here now you'll get different results. So we can add this here. We can go back to noise reduction. Can click on get profile. Now I can press Command R. But make sure you select the entire track. Now, of course, for my situation here, for this example, that's a very short video audio. It's only a couple of seconds. But for you, you'll see better results. And I hope you'll find this helpful. So yeah, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, leave your feedback down below. I'm really curious to read your results. So try this, let me know in the comment section. Like this video if you found this helpful, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing this video. Settings, Audacity, breaking down high and low sounds. Making your video adjust accuracy.